everyone. Psych. It's me, Brad. Hey. I need to do some stuff to the Del Sol. Geez. It is dusty. The kids, you know, they write on the windows and stuff. Woo! I'm doing a lot of stuff here, guys. I got the whole front end off, all the lights out, doing some upcoming projects. But the time has come for me not to be such a worrywart, and I just need to start working on my engine. Let me give you a lowdown here. I've got a head gasket leak. It sure is leaking a lot of oil. I don't know how to fix that. I really don't drive the Del Sol because of it. The Del Sol runs and it drives. Not great. I need to do the timing belt, the water pump, the head gasket, a bunch of stuff here. So I did get a quote from my local amazing Honda shop, not Honda itself, because that would be outrageous. But I thought about taking it there, but I just don't have the kind of money for somebody to work on my Del Sol for me. They wanted a lot because it's basically an engine rebuild, right? Head gasket, water pump, timing belt, redo the valves, valve timing, sleeves, the whole everything. I want somebody just to do it for me, but it's not gonna fucking happen at all. So I just need to fucking do it myself. Yeah. The problem is let me turn this light on. Maybe it'll be better. Yeah. I did get some cool ring lights. I only got 3, but you can add more. So I would like to add more to those, but those do help quite a bit. Is my lens blurry? Son of a biscuits. Oh, that was a great start to the vlog here, everyone. Well, you know, that intro probably sucks, but whatever. Yeah, that's better, I think. It's just really blinding. Jeez. I don't know how to do this. I can tell you everything about doing other stuff. I did my suspension, installed all the JDM everything's, done all the stuff on the inside, new exhaust, all the seals. But then when you get to this part, fuck, I don't want. The biggest thing is somebody like me who doesn't know what they're doing is very like, what do I do? Like, what do I do? But I just gotta do it. And I'm gonna bring you along. I'm gonna take this all apart. I'm gonna take this all out. We're gonna clean everything. We're probably gonna repaint the engine bay. All sorts of stuff. I need to get a new valve cover. I like this one because it looks cool. Even though it's fake, it's a fake one. I still like it, but I need to put my OEM one back on. But I need to get it redone. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. I do want to clean up some more wires. I don't have AC. I don't have wiper blades. I still have my cowl right there. I did all the like headlight harnesses through the fenders. I don't have cruise control anymore. I've taken a lot of stuff off this car, and I've got a bunch of wires that just fucking, you know, they go nowhere because the systems aren't there anymore. So when I take all this stuff out, I'm gonna clean all that up quite a bit. So I have a lot to do. And I need to learn how to do all this myself so I can better help you guys who ask me, or the young OldSols members coming up, getting their very first Del Sol and want to work on their car. I usually have to like go ask somebody or get an answer to give back to them, because I don't necessarily know. I know some things, but like when it comes to taking this apart and changing out the like head gasket and then taking the head to a machine shop to get redone and all cleaned out, I've never done that before, so I don't know. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. But I've got to get this flipped around. I gotta get air in my tires. Yeah, I gotta do all that. But that's where I'm at. I do have individuals to help me that know engines, know Honda engines. I'm sure CP is gonna help me out a lot. Honda vlogs. Kind of why this started too. Another backstory. Let me get into that. If you go check out his channel, he was waffling the same way I'm waffling, because both of our cars do run. His EF hatch and my Del Sol, they both run. We can drive them. It's just they're not at a spot where we like them to be at. And I kept telling him for the longest time, he's doing a new harness on his. You just have to do it, man. And he's like, yeah, but then I won't be able to drive the car and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, I get it. I fucking get it. I'm the same way. I don't want to take this apart because it drives right now. Not well, but it drives. But this week, if you go check out his stuff, he started tearing his hatch apart. And he's doing it. He just went for it. So I need to just go for it. Taking it apart won't be hard. And I'm going to organize it all. I'm going to get some tables or shelves or something right here, so I can, once I take like something apart, I can put it up on a shelf, I can label it, I can keep all the screws and all the bolts together and all that stuff. Yeah, episode 1 of me refreshing and rebuilding my motor. We'll see how it goes. I don't know, but it'll be good. The other reason why it's nice that I'm going to do it is because if I were to take it to my local mom and pop Honda shop, shout out to them, Exclusive Honda here in Omaha. They are fucking great. I take my FA5 to them. I take my wife's car to them. I've taken all my Hondas to them from when I was like in high school till now. So I will still go to them, but they are an OE kind of a shop. So if I were to have them rebuild my motor, it would be to OEM spec. All original, all Honda parts, all everything. And I do want to do some upgrades to this. Like, I want to get upgraded aftermarket parts for my motor. And they wouldn't do that. So I would have them rebuild it, put it all back together, OEM spec, and that would be great. Wonderful, absolutely. It would be worth the money. I just don't have the money right now. But then I would have to take all those new OEM stuff that they put on during the rebuild and then replace them with the aftermarket stuff that I want on the car going forward. And that's just like, if I just take it apart myself and do it, then I can add those performance parts back onto the car when it goes back together, because they won't do that at the shop. So yeah. I'm going to get this turned around though, and then the engine will be facing the outside, and it'll be a little bit easier to work than in this cramped spot, and I can take the motor out easily that way as opposed to this way. I don't have a lot of room and blah, 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 all that stuff. So that's all I'm doing today, but that's step 1. Step 2 is getting my shelves and or tables or organizational stuff to do it, then I just got to start taking stuff apart. So, okay. That was my spiel and my rant and getting that off my chest and coming to the realization that I need to do this myself. So, yeah. There'll be a lot more vlogs, a lot more stuff. I'll show you guys what I do, what I don't do. I'll show you what the inside of my motor looks like. All the carbon buildup, all the everything. So that's what I just want to take it apart to see how it looks. Don't know when I'll put it back together. Don't know how long it'll take. Maybe I'll buy another Del Sol that I can drive while I'm redoing this one. I don't know. We'll see. But okay. So I keep my car on this battery charger. I got one of those little baby Odyssey Extremes right there. Always turns on, sometimes it chugs, cause you know, never fucking leaves. Let's I don't know where my keys are at. Let's see. Nope. Not in there. I don't even know where my Del Sol keys are at because I don't do anything with it. I got cardboard underneath the motor because every time I drive the car, I get home and there's oil on the driveway and my wife yells at me, but that'd be the old head gasket. Watch the mirrors. Alright, we're out. That's good. That's fucking great. Let's get this bitch out into the street here. Pull her around. Man, this car's low. After I lowered it. She's a rumbling. It's not very happy, I can tell you that much. Okay. I gotta wind this bitch up. Okay. Hello, are you? Alright, well I did get it moved around. No thanks to you, Oreo. But you can see oil, 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 oil. Oh yeah, and fucking oil. So yeah, that's what it does every time I drive the car. You know, if you're not losing oil, guys, I don't know what you're doing, but it's probably not the right thing. But my cardboard box, or my cardboard blew out over here. Yeah, so that's really all I'm fucking doing today, guys. Just shoving that bitch under there, and I'm gonna clean up this oil, and we're gonna call her a day. That's it. Alright, check you on the next one. Peace.